This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We try each day to bring you one or two business and market insight episodes, plus an interview from a business leader. Today's discussion is unemployment surges. So here's the deal with unemployment. Now, unemployment now is at 4.6%. That's the highest number that we've seen in more than 4 years since sometime in 2021. And one of the scary things about unemployment is that unemployment often is a lagging indicator to what's going on with the economy. It's not until by the time unemployment starts to ring, the numbers start to get higher. It often means that companies have already got to the spot where they're seeing concerns. They're pulling back on spending, expansion, and that the slowdown in the economy could even be bigger than unemployment indicates. And that's sort of where we're at. Now, the only positive news to some stuff on unemployment going down is the potential that we will see essentially rates come down a little bit further to try and goose the economy a little bit. The other point that will make on unemployment surging to 4.6% is that largely this is a very uneven recession. This downturn is largely hitting white collar sectors and other sectors like technology and business harder than it's hitting healthcare, skilled trades, and essential services where unemployment remains really low. The last thing I'll point out is that in a rising unemployment environment, you have a situation where it shifts power back a little bit to employers versus employees, as employees get very slow to quit jobs and employers get slow to hire. So it becomes more of a buyer's market for employers versus employees. Again, these are a few of the things that we're watching as unemployment surges up to 4.6%, the highest amount in 4 years. A lot of this is in white collar sectors, technology sectors, not in skilled trades where there's still shortages. And we do see a shift of power back to employers versus employees. In any event, all the way around, fairly concerning from an economy standpoint and from an overall just health of the economy standpoint. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Again, we try each day to bring you 1 to 2 business episodes plus an interview with a business leader. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you.